The hidden cost of comfort. How comfort kills your potential. We live in the most comfortable era in human history. We have food delivered to our doorstep, entertainment in our pocket, air conditioning when it's hot, heating when it's cold, and a soft bed waiting every night. And yet, despite all this comfort, more people feel lost, anxious, and unfulfilled than ever before. Have you ever wondered why? Because comfort comes with a hidden cost. And if you're not careful, it will steal your dreams before you even realize it. Let me tell you a story. There was once a young lion, born in captivity. He had never seen the wild, never chased prey, never felt hunger. Every day, zookeepers brought him food, water, and safety. Years passed. One day, the cage door was accidentally left open. The lion stepped outside, looked at the open land stretching endlessly before him, and then walked back inside. He chose comfort over freedom. Why? Because he had forgotten what he was capable of. That's what happens to most of us. We start strong, full of dreams, ambition, energy. But slowly, life surrounds us with comfort. And comfort dulls the edge. It starts small. You skip one morning workout. You delay one dream. You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow. And tomorrow never comes. See, comfort doesn't destroy you suddenly. It destroys you silently, one easy choice at a time. Every time you choose the couch over the gym, the short video over the book, the weekend party over the side hustle, you're not just relaxing, you're trading potential for pleasure. And here's the cruel truth. The longer you stay comfortable, the harder it becomes to escape it. Let's be honest. Human beings are built to grow through struggle. Our ancestors fought storms, hunted to survive, and built civilization through effort and pain. That's why challenges make us stronger. They awaken something primal, something powerful. But when life becomes too easy, we lose that fire. We become restless, anxious, bored. Not because life is hard, but because it's too soft. Comfort is the slowest poison. It doesn't kill your body, it kills your ambition. It whispers, you're fine. You don't need to push today. And the moment you believe that whisper, your dreams start to fade. The same people who once said, I'll do whatever it takes, now say, I just want peace. But what kind of peace is it? If every night you go to bed knowing you settled for less? Let's talk about what comfort really costs you. 1. It costs you growth. Growth only happens when you stretch beyond your limits, when you step into the unknown, when you do things that scare you or make you uncomfortable. But comfort tells you to stay where it's safe. And safe is the enemy of growth. Every successful person you admire, every entrepreneur, athlete, artist, they all had to get uncomfortable to rise. They risked failure. They risked pain. And that's exactly why they made it. The uncomfortable road is the one that leads to greatness. 2. It costs you time. Comfort is a master thief of time. It tricks you into believing you have plenty of it. One extra episode. One more hour of scrolling. One more lazy day. But days become weeks. Weeks become years. And before you know it, comfort has stolen the most precious thing you had. Time you'll never get back. Ask yourself right now, what could your life look like 1 year from today? If you stopped choosing what was easy and started choosing what was necessary? 3. It costs you purpose. When life is too easy, you stop asking big questions. You stop chasing challenges. You stop growing. You stop feeling alive. Comfort numbs your hunger, that burning desire to build, to create, to contribute. It makes you forget the feeling of fighting for something meaningful. That's why so many people today feel lost. Not because their lives are bad, but because they're too comfortable to be truly alive. Let me tell you another story. There was a farmer who planted 2 seeds, one in the shade and one in the sun. The seed in the shade grew quickly, soft soil, easy water. The one in the sun grew slowly. It had to fight wind, heat, and storms. But when the storm came, the shaded plant fell, while the one that fought through hardship stood tall. Because struggle builds strength. Life works the same way. Every challenge you avoid is a strength you never build. Every fear you escape is a lesson you never learn. Every comfort you choose is potential you quietly bury. So, the next time you feel pain, fear, or discomfort, don't run from it. Run through it, because that's where your future is waiting. Look around you. The world is full of people who gave up on greatness for comfort. People who once dreamed big but settled for good enough. Don't be one of them. You weren't born to be comfortable. You were born to grow, to rise, to lead, to inspire. Comfort is temporary. Regret is forever. So, here's the challenge. Starting today, do one thing that makes you uncomfortable. Wake up earlier. Start that project you've been delaying. Speak up when you'd normally stay silent. Say no to instant pleasure and yes to your long-term vision. Because every time you choose discomfort, you're training your mind for greatness. And every time you choose comfort, you're teaching yourself to settle. The hidden cost of comfort is the life you were meant to live.
Don't let it take that from you.
Choose growth. Choose challenge. Choose the path that scares you, because that's the one that will change you. And one day, when people look at you and say, "You're lucky," you'll smile quietly and think,
No.
"I just stopped choosing comfort." This is Wise Talk, where we turn reflection into realization and thoughts into action. If this message inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe to Wise Talk, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it today. Because comfort is easy, but greatness is earned.